Go Negosyo. Ako po si In Mercado. I'm a gamer and a streamer and a cosplayer in the Philippines. One of the first ever streamers in the Philippines. And currently, I'm the ambassador of Acer Philippines, Logitech Philippines, and Bleed Esports. It's my first time actually here and it's super, sabi ko kanina nga, maraming tao, grabe. Medyo kinabahan ako kasi usually nagto-talks ako with the university, so ang katapat ko mga estudyante, di ba? So now, medyo iba yung approach natin kasi mga entrepreneurs ang nandito. Marami ding struggles as a woman in the industry kasi, di ba, I mean, it's a male-dominant scene. So, pero marami na ngayon mga female gamers there that really put their craft up front. So, if you're a girl, aspiring girl gamer, aspiring girl content creator, don't push yourself back, but rather, huwag ka mahiya, go mo lang kasi you'll never know if you'll make it. I think an empowered woman is someone who is very confident and very passionate and genuine to what she wants in life. Hi, Sir Joey, hindi ko po kayo na-meet. Sana ma-meet ko po kayo soon. And thank you so much for inviting me here at Go Negosyo. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Go Negosyo fam.